Taking a look at the crude oil outlook for November 2nd, 2010. And here we are on the evening of November 1st at about 8:30 in New York. And we're taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil here. And as you see here, we've been for quite a number of days in this range. We've really at the top of the range for quite a while now. Let's actually go out to the weekly chart and take a look. And look at that. Absolutely tight there. So what's going to happen? Well, definitely bullish on oil, right? A lot of people are. We're just waiting for this range to break out, and then I think everybody's going to play a pullback. But that's the weekly chart. So let's go back in the daily. And you see we've been in this range. We're at the top of this range, so we decided to take a trade here this evening in Asia with some confirmation. Let's take a look at that. We've got the 1 minute chart over here, 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1 hour with daily pivots, and 4 hour with weekly pivots. So we can pretty much see everything right here on the screen, right? The hourly and the 4 hour with the pivots, kind of the map, and then our 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1 minute is the compass. So what we did here, we got a 15-minute lower high here. That's where we got in, and come up and retested the Bollinger Band here on the hour, 4 hour, as well as the pivot, and we're at the top of this range. So it's a pretty good bet. We've been in the same range here for quite a while, so we're going to assume it's going to hold now until the resistance breaks. And yeah, we clearly got some signals here in the 1 minute. Let's take a look at that. Expand out the 1 minute chart here. So got a lower high here. We decided to enter in about right there. So it's probably going to be a little bit slow. And then the closer we get to London, we're looking for this to come back. And let's take a look at the target. Our ultimate target here is going to be right back at the weekly M3 with the 4 hour 21, which is the red line here, about 82.30, about 100 pips, and that'll be a retest of some previous intermediate levels of resistance now turn support, some role reversal. So we could just get down to the hourly 21 central pivot area as the first target, and then maybe trickle down later, do another lower high, down to the ultimate target, maybe closer to the New York session. So we're taking a look at that, probably take some profit right there at the central pivot, if not everything. And if we get any kind of reversal signal, otherwise we'll hold it all the way down to the 4 hour 21. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, and it should yield about 100 pips. That'll be it for November 2nd on Crude Oil 2010.